How to log out of MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Logging out of MEXC app is simple and helps keep your account secure. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your device, and once you're in the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now you'll come across this interface where you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down. You'll find the logout button at the bottom of the screen. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your MEXC account's credentials so that you can get back to your account whenever you need later. If you remember your credentials, just tap on the logout button and confirm the logout by tapping the confirm button in the pop-up. Right after you do that, you will be signed out or logged out of your MEXC account. Now your account remains safe and you can log back in any time using your credentials. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.